Hi, I am Archana from Cognizant. I'm very happy to part of this Volcan 2025 in Bangalore, and it's good to see lot of CSR partners across various corporates and lot of NGOs from across Pan India, and it's good to connect with our own beneficiary where we interacted with so many causes for Pan India locations. It's a lot of knowledge sharing and a lot of insightful experience we gain through, and looking forward to connect with all the NGO partners and even the best practices, what other corporates and what other NGOs is doing it for scaling up the volunteering opportunity in upcoming years. And it's all about both corporates and NGO working towards a common goal where we can involve more number of resources to bring together and to impact the society to the next level, be it in education, skilling, environment and community development. A lot of visionful projects we heard from a lot of speakers and delegates from across corporates and NGO, and it's very beautiful to see the people around the world is still working hard to build up a wonderful world to the people, be it in any sector. And it's kind of refreshing moment for me personally. I felt connecting with the lot of leaders from both the organization, like be it a corporate or NGO, and running various programs across Pan India location, even global locations. We had a couple of speakers, and in terms of scaling up the volunteering to the next level. So I'm looking forward to connect with all other sectors to scale up our initiatives in larger scale. And I thank the Bhumi team and entire organizing team for bringing up this opportunity for all of us together in the same place. And we look forward to more such connects to collaborate and to discuss and to evolve a lot more opportunities for the betterment of society. And thank you, and wish you all the best for the entire team to scale up this kind of conferences in future in larger scale. And thank you so much.